Now let's look at an example of when a char instance doesn't contain one single logical character. The code point 223, or DF in hex, represents this character. It's a German character called Sz, and it corresponds to an S sound. You can see it, for example, in the German word Straße, which means street, or Fußball, which means football or soccer. I should apologise for any bad German pronunciation, by the way, as I'm not a native German speaker. By the way, I've used flags on the slide to represent the languages, but the flags are just typical examples of where a language is spoken. They're obviously not the only country that each language is spoken in. Now the thing is, linguistically, Sz is not really a letter in its own right. It's considered to be an alternative way of writing double S. So you might sometimes see Straße or Fußball written with the two S's explicitly. In Switzerland, for example, writing the S's explicitly is in fact the norm. And that complicates equality and ordering comparisons, because if, say, you were sorting words for presentation to a user, you typically wouldn't want to treat Sz as a separate letter. Rather, you would want to treat it as being identical to two S's. Straße is the same word and comes at the same place in dictionary order, no matter which way it is written. The Unicode code point for Sz is an example of a character expansion. If you want to compare strings correctly, then the code point should first be translated into other code points. In this case, the two lowercase s's. That's only for comparing strings, remember, not for displaying them. As far as displaying is concerned, the code point 223 should still be shown as a single Sz graphic.